The word some is used in positive sentences to indicate an unspecified quantity or number. When you say some, you mean a certain amount, but you don't say exactly how much. For example, you can say, I have some friends in New York, or she bought some apples for the party. These sentences show that there are friends and apples, but the exact number is not important or not mentioned. Some is used to show an unspecified quantity, usually in positive sentences. It helps express an amount or number that is not exact but is understood. For example, she has some books on her desk means she has a few books, but you don't know exactly how many. We bought some oranges for breakfast means there are oranges, but the exact count is unknown or not important. Some can also be used to make polite offers or requests when speaking. When you offer something in a polite way, you can say, would you like some coffee, or can I offer you some help with that? These are softer, more polite ways to ask or offer something, and they use some to show the offer is not specific but friendly. You can use some in questions to make polite offers or suggestions. For example, you might ask, would you like some tea, or do you want some water? These questions use some to sound polite and soft instead of sounding direct or forceful. Using some here shows kindness and offers something in a nice way. Here are some common positive uses of some in daily conversation. You can say, I need some help with this project when you want assistance. There is some milk left in the fridge shows that some milk is there, but not all. They have some interesting ideas means a few ideas are interesting, but the number is not exact. Practice using some in sentences like he made some delicious cookies or we saw some beautiful birds. You can also say please take some time to think, which means spend a little time thinking, but the exact time is not defined. These sentences help you get comfortable using some in everyday speech. Remember these quick rules about some. First, use some in positive sentences to talk about an unspecified quantity. Second, use some in polite offers or questions to be friendly and soft. Third, do not use some in negative sentences. Instead, use any. Lastly, some always shows an unspecified amount, not exact numbers. These rules will help you use some correctly and confidently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.